Welcome back, everyone. Today we will be making a Chinese classic, hot and sour soup. Let's get right into it. In a bowl, add 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of water, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Now whisk and set it aside. Next, we have 2 tablespoons of Chinese black vinegar. To that, we mix in 1 teaspoon of white pepper. Mix it well and set it aside. Here we have dried shiitake mushrooms and black fungus that we have soaked overnight in water. Chop the mushrooms, disregard the stems, and chop the black fungus and set aside. It's very important that you don't throw out the liquid. This will add to the authentic flavor of the soup. In a large pot over medium-high heat, we have 8 cups of beef broth. You can also use chicken or veggie stock. Add 2 tablespoons of garlic ginger paste, 3 chopped green onions. Now add 1/4 of a cup of chopped carrots, roughly the size and shape of matchsticks, the shiitake mushrooms and the fungus, and the reserved mushroom liquid. And finally, the cornstarch and soy sauce mix. Cover the lid and let it boil for about 30 minutes. After the 30 minutes, reduce the heat to low and gently add silken or soft tofu. Carefully stir, making sure not to break them. Gently stir the tofu for about 3 to 4 minutes before turning off the heat. Now we pour in the black vinegar mix. Stir well. Now add 2 whisked eggs. Stream them into the pot while stirring, creating silky egg strands. And there you have it, hot and sour soup. Garnish with sesame oil and green onions. Trust us, it's better than takeout. We hope you loved this recipe and that you give it a try. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you never miss our Tuesday or Wednesday uploads. Thank you for joining us today, and see you next time on another episode of Plate on a Budget.